Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome back to e-learning, children. Today I am going to teach you question answer from first prose, Earth the Desolated Home. But before going into today's topic, I just want you to recall last session's topic. In last class, we covered choose the correct answer and also fill-ups. Come, let's recall it. First one is choose. Life found on other planet is called alien. Some people believe that there might be life on Mars planet. I don't live on moon, but I live in Earth. The person who travels to space is an astronaut. The scientific observer of the celestial bodies is astronomer. These are the 5 choose we learned in last class. This is fill in the blanks. First one, the man destroyed the earth. In the earth, we get water from rain. And third one is, in Mars, 687 days make a year. Fourth one, you don't need spacesuit and also oxygen cylinder in the earth. And fifth one is, fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. These are the 5 choose and 5 fill up we learned in last class. Today I am going to teach you answer the following questions. First I read out all the 6 questions. Okay, there are 6 question answers in this first prose. I am going to read it out, children. Listen carefully. First question, what is the setting of the story? Second one, name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. And third question, what is a soul? How many souls make a year? Fourth question is, how water is produced in Mars? And fifth one is, in this story, what happened to the earth? Last question, what should be done to save the earth? These are the 6 questions given from the first prose, Earth the Desolated Home. I hope you understood Earth the Desolated Home lessons very clearly. First, I explain you some of these questions, children. First question is the setting of the story. Where does this story took place? Do you have any idea? Okay. And second is, name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. They are asking some of the vegetables which has been harvested in the vegetation hub. And then how water is produced in Mars. How does water is produced in Mars? Already we learnt it in our lesson also. Okay, we move on to fifth one. In this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story, children? Okay, we move on to sixth one. What should be done to save the earth? How can we save the earth? These are the 6 questions. This is the first answer. What is the setting of the story? This story takes place in Mars planet. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. Is it clear, children? This story explains you about life on the Mars. So, this is the setting of the story. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. We move on to second question. Be careful, children. Concentrate and study well. I hope you clearly understood these topics. Do you have any doubt? Please clarify with me, children. This is second question. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. Carrot was harvested in the vegetation hub. Yes. There is an argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. Grandpa tells that carrots, vegetables and fruits are not real. So, the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hub is carrot. Very good, children. Carrot was the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hub. Yes, very good. As Grandpa tells, vegetables, fruits and water are not real in Mars planet because he missed Earth planet, so that there is a argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. In that argument, they mentioned this vegetable name carrot because they harvested carrot vegetable in their vegetation hab. So carrot was harvested in the vegetation hab. And third one, what is a soul? How many hours make a soul? Soul is a Martin day. Soul means a Martin day. A single Martin day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. So 24 hours and 39 minutes make a soul. So what is soul? Soul is a Martin day. In normal day, we have only 24 hours. Whereas in Martin day, we have 24 hours and 39 minutes. So, soul is a Martin day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. Okay, is it clear, children? Come, let's move on to fourth question. How water is produced in mass? How water is produced in mass, children? Yes, very good. Water is produced in mass by burning fuels. Only by burning fuels, water is produced in mass. Whereas the main source of water in earth is rain. We get water naturally from rain. Whereas in mass, water is produced by burning fuels. This water is not real. As grandpa said, water is not real in the Mars planet. Is it clear? Fourth answer is water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Okay, and fifth one, in the story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story, children? Yes, human has been destroyed. In the story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Human beings had been destroyed the earth. We learnt in first fill in the blanks, no, that only. In this story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Let's move on to sixth question, last but not the least. Sixth question is, what should be done to save the earth? What should be done to save the earth? What can be done, children? First one, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. We are using lots of chemical fertilizers. We should stop using chemical fertilizers so that we can save the earth. This is the first one. What should be done to save the earth, children? Yes, very good. We should stop using lots of chemical fertilizers because chemical fertilizers may affect soil and also some of the plants. So, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. Do you have any more ideas about these 6 questions? How we can save the earth? Okay. I suggest one more point to you. We are using bike and cars. No. By using bike and cars, air become very polluted. If air become very polluted, means we are damaging the earth. So, by avoiding pollutions, any type of pollution, you come across many types of pollution in our science lesson. There are so much of pollutions. We are reducing pollution means we can save the earth. And one more point I am adding, children, just for your knowledge only. We should also reduce pollutions to save the earth. And today's assignment, it is very important, children. Many of you are posting your assignments. Please try to complete today itself, children. Submit your assignment, write it and take a photocopy of it and submit it in Google Classroom. Children, please make use of this quarantine time. This is a golden opportunity for you all. Okay, please listen carefully, understand well and good. Okay, and today's assignment is you are going to write all these 6 question answer First, read out all these 6 question answers and write 6 question answers only one time. Okay, submit your assignments within today evening itself. Okay, don't spend your time, ideally spend your time with some knowledge so that it can be easy for you to learn more things in the future. Children, I hope you understood. Thank you, children.